Hey everyone, welcome to this month's episode of What's New in Turbo360. Today we'll be having a look at the set of features Turbo360 has built and shipped for this month. Let's dive right in. Firstly, we have an exciting new addition to a product called the Task Planner. This feature will allow users to track actions identified from Turbo360, whether be it an action related to purchasing a reservation for app service plan or troubleshooting high SQL CPU consumption. You can now create tasks in the planner, assign them to the users, and also track them using Turbo360. To do this, first you have to create a task group. Multiple task groups can be created to track tasks related to different categories. Each group comes with 3 default statuses. You can customize it based on the requirements. After successful creation of a task group, you can add tasks and assign them to the users, set status, priority, and a due date for task completion. The tasks can be tracked in 2 different views, a board view and a grid view. It is also possible to group the tasks by users assigned. Now moving on to the next feature in the Azure Documenter module, we were previously allowing users to generate reports as PDF or Word files, but now you can also generate these reports in Excel format as well. These reports contain numerical data of Azure cost and resource distribution across different dimensions. By generating these reports as Excel files, it becomes easier for customization and making the most out of data. To get the Excel documents of existing configurations, open the Edit Configuration blade, and in the Publish Settings section, we have the option to generate the document in Excel format. This is a sample document. We have the Table of Contents section. By clicking on each of these links, we will be redirected to those sheets. So, let me now navigate to the Resource Type Distribution section. Here we have details about the resource types and their respective counts across different subscriptions. Next, in the BAM module, we have introduced Summary Alerts. This feature provides a consolidated status of all the business processes in a group as alerts. To do this, click on the context menu of a business process group. You will see the Summary Alerts option. Here, you will be able to configure the frequency of the alerts and also the notification channels to which the alerts need to be transmitted. We have another tab called Incidents here, where the history of summary alerts can be viewed. The alerts will have the name of the business process and their statuses. Next, in the Business Application module, we have brought in Gantt view for Logic App runs. So previously, in the Run History section, the run details were displayed in a table format. But now we have a Gantt view which provides a better visualization of the run details along with its duration. And finally, moving on to the Cost Analyzer module, we have made few enhancements like on-demand cost loading and changes in the frequency of group notifications. To improve the user experience in analyzing the cost, we have brought in on-demand cost fetching. Instead of automatic refresh while changing the filters, now we pull the cost only after the filters are selected by the users. We also changed the frequency of the group notifications to achieve accuracy in the cost data. Now the notifications will be sent only after the cost is emitted from Azure for a particular time frame. And that's the summary of all the features rolled out this month. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Shrutvika from Turbo360 signing off for now. See you all with another set of exciting features next month. Thank you.